LPG is an efficient, clean-burning source of energy to power New Zealand.
But like all energy sources, there are things we need to know to ensure LPG is used safely.
The best use of LPG is for your hot water, heating or cooking.
If you use LPG, you should check your bottles regularly to make sure you don't have a leak.
To check, you can use your sensors. Can you smell gas or hear a hissing sound like a gas leak?
Mix up soapy water using dishwashing liquid. Turn on your bottle but leave appliances off to pressurise the system. Apply the soapy water to the valve area of your regulator and hose between the bottle and your appliance. If you see bubbles, this could mean you have a gas leak. The first thing you should do is turn off all gas appliances and your bottle by turning the valve clockwise.
If inside, open doors and windows to ventilate the area. Make sure you leave the area, then call Rock Gas to report the leak.
And make sure there are no ignition sources like cell phones, cigarettes or lighters.
By taking these simple steps, you can continue to enjoy instant heat, endless hot showers and cooking with gas safely.